Can a single visit spark a fight for India's tribal heritage? Can a single visit spark a fight for India's tribal heritage? India's opposition leader walks into a controversy on Great Nicobar Island. The Great Nicobar Island development project involves an international container transshipment terminal at Galathea Bay. The project has cleared its most significant legal hurdles but continues to face serious questions under Indian environmental and tribal rights law. The island sits at a geography that has drawn the attention of defense planners for decades, with the Strait of Malacca carrying more than 80% of China's oil imports. I have come to listen, not to speak. We will do whatever we can to fight for their rights in Parliament. On 29 April 2026, Rahul Gandhi, leader of the opposition in the Lok Sabha, visited Great Nicobar Island and declared that he saw some of the gravest crimes committed against India's natural and tribal heritage. The visit came at a time when the rest of the political world had its eyes on West Bengal, where Phase 2 of the state assembly elections was recording voter turnout numbers above 91%. Gandhi chose to make his way to India's southernmost inhabited point to draw attention to the Great Nicobar Island Development Project, a 81,000 crore to 92,000 crore infrastructure initiative that has cleared its most significant legal hurdles but continues to face serious questions under Indian environmental and tribal rights law. The project involves an international container transshipment terminal at Galathea Bay, a dual-use civil and military airport, a gas and solar power plant, and a township. The total project cost was pegged at 75,000 crore in 2022 and revised to 81,000 crore in 2025. The island sits at a geography that has drawn the attention of defense planners for decades. The Strait of Malacca, which runs close to the island's southern tip, carries more than 80% of China's oil imports, valued at approximately 312 billion annually. The project received its environmental clearance from the Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change's Expert Appraisal Committee in November 2022. That clearance was challenged in court almost immediately. The National Green Tribunal delivered a ruling on 12 February 2023, which is now being appealed by both parties. Should India prioritize tribal rights or strategic infrastructure development? Tell us in the comments yes or no.
Here's what this means for you. As a concerned citizen, consider supporting local initiatives that promote environmental conservation and tribal welfare on Great Nicobar Island. Save this video for future reference.
Follow Legal Output on Instagram and Legal Output Official on YouTube for daily legal updates.